Welcome back to Camas Classics. We're going to have something a little bit different for you today. 2021 Jeep Cherokee. So my sister watched our video on doing the oil change on the Ram and said, I think I can do that. So we're going to let her be the star of today and change her oil in her Jeep. Okay, so we'll get it lifted up and we'll come back to you in just a minute. Okay, so we have it up on the lift and here we go.
Watch what you're saying. I know there should be something that undoes up here somewhere.
Yep, that's it. So there's the drain plug. I'll go ahead and grab a wrench. Take that and lift that up.
Huh?
Take that and lift that up. Keep going. Swoop. And then dropping tools runs in the family.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Other way.
What do you mean other way?
Take that for a second.
Somebody stronger than me put it on.
Should be able to loosen it by hand now.
Didn't change my clothes. I'm going to try not to get it on me. Step one, drain the oil. And I didn't lose it in the container.
So we'll let this drain and come back to you. Okay, what's our next step?
It's dripping now, we're about done. I'm going to put the bolt back in it. Just wipe right here.
Put your bolt in, it'll stop.
Wipe the excess oil off. Just a little minute spilling when it changed direction. Coming out, some sawdust down. Hand tightened it.
Good. Okay, so what's our next step?
You're not going to make sure it's on there good? Just because you're stronger than me. Now we need to put it down off the lift. Oh, I gotta move this first. Put it down off the lift, and we need to change the oil filter.
Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so how do we lower it?
Hold this thing.
Nope. So first thing, because we are sitting on our locks, we need to raise it just a little bit. And then push and hold the green button with your left hand. And push that one in with your right hand. Whoop, go back up. So one of our locks didn't release. Yep.
It's not my fault if it's faulty equipment.
Gonna have her take the camera a minute. So our lock on this side is not releasing. Push the green button. Okay, so we're gonna have to fix the lift before we can bring it down. Okay, so the problem with the lift was I wasn't taking it quite high enough in order for it to release that side. So right now she's popping the hood, finding the hood latch, and there we go. Sorry, it is a little dirty.
It's a lot dirty.
There should be a release or something, right? Okay, so where's our oil filter?
That?
I don't think so. If I remember right, this one is a little weird, so it is actually right here, which is not common. So it's actually right there. So we'll find the socket we need and we'll come back to you.
Watch that lift there.
Twist it this way. Okay, this is a little tight too. Flip it over. Okay.
One filter off.
Okay, so this is what I was talking about, a cartridge filter and a non-cartridge filter. So you actually replace the element and reuse the plastic. There should also be an O-ring in the box. Pull that and it'll pop right out. Hand me this. Hand me that. Just slide that one on. Push it down, that should click. Okay, so the easiest way to not ruin your O-ring is let's come over here. And just hook it with that and pull it up and off. Throw that right in the garbage. And slide that one right on. Just kind of roll it down. Okay, and our gloves are already oily, so grab your hand and just wrap it around that ring. And reverse the process. And I'm going to tighten this so it don't leak. You can take your gloves off now. You're done with the messy part. So we'll give her just a second, and then
This way?
yep, you can just throw that away, throw the box away. So this is a kind of a crucial step to get it just right. Again, we're going until it touches, and a little bit. And this has a specific way it's got to go on, which is this way. Okay. So what's our next step?
Gotta put oil in. So it says right here is where you put your oil.
You should just pull up now.
Gonna get a filter.
Also known as a funnel.
Gonna get this red thing that's gonna hold the oil. We're putting in Valvoline 020, starting with 5 gallons.
5 quarts.
5 quarts.
Well, how's it going?
I'm a pro.
All right. You gonna take my job and working in the shop?
Nope.
Why?
So we put 5 quarts in. I don't remember exactly how much this one takes. It doesn't say right here. Easily accessible, so we'll fire it up with 5 quarts and
Now I need to fire it up to let it run through, and then I need to check it.
we do have a little more oil because we bought the extra quart, just in case. Okay. a paper towel right there while you're there. Got it?
I already got it ready.
You okay?
Pull out the dipstick. We'll wipe off anything that was on there. Sticking it back in.
Between the two dots?
Nope.
Nope. Okay. So it looks like it's about a quart low, so we'll throw probably the rest of the other quart in it. And should be good. With that part, first time doing this, did a pretty good job. Apparently the oil change on the ram did its job. Taught one person how to change their own oil.
Somewhat.
Dump about 3/4 of it. Pull out your dipstick and check it.
It's at the one, just above the one dot.
Yeah, put the rest in. So this vehicle, there are two specs. There's a 020 weight and a 520 weight. They're really not interchangeables, but in a way they are. So we bought the 020, which was what the spec was online, but the fill cap says 520, so
That's the engine cap, not the fuel cap.
fill
Oh.
for oil fill. Okay, go ahead and throw that right in the garbage. And we got one more task.
Take it to the car wash.
The yellow lidded one. So we didn't do this on the Ram because we didn't have any, but we have it now. I'm gonna fill up the window washer fluid. I like to do that every time we do the oil change. See if we can do it without spilling it.
Just a little. Oh. Just a little more. Should we dump it all the way where it's not winter blend?
Yep. So this is a summer blend, but we're a good 4 or 5 months, so it'll probably be used by then. If not, we'll mix it with winter blend and that just means this is good to not freeze down to 32 degrees. Stop. Get the cap and Another thing, we look down here. There are no drips. Close the hood, and then how do we end this?
Reset the thing.
Yeah, let's reset it. We didn't do that in the Ram video either, so let's do that. We did it on the Ram, but we didn't do it in the video.
So the car's got to be in the start position, but not started. Take it to oil. Reset, push OK. I already didn't.
Hey.
Good to go. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.